Welcome to my kitchen. Let's cook. Today we're making hearty fruit and fiber muffins from the 5-ingredient diabetic cookbook. You can get this on Amazon. There's a link below. Check it out for yourself. But we're going to make them now. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. We're going to grind these up into a flour, so they're already in my food processor, but you can use a blender. 2 cups unsweetened applesauce, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup mixed berries. You can use fresh or frozen. Frozen seem easier to me, so that's what I'm using. 1/3 of a cup of chia seeds, and that's all 5 of your ingredients. Now I'm going to go and pulverize the oats. And I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to use these muffin tins, so I will spray those in just a second. The first thing I'm going to do is blend the oats in the blender. Done. In a large bowl, combine the oat flour and applesauce. So I need 2 cups of applesauce. I have this really nifty measuring cup where you can see this stuff from the top. So I'm going to put 2 cups of my applesauce into my oat flour that I have made in my food processor. I'm going to scrape it out so I get all the goodness. Yeah. And I'm going to put in the 1 cup of Greek yogurt and the chia seeds. This recipe seems really easy. So I'm excited about that. I don't like things that are going to take me forever to do. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of chia seeds, which I think are serving as our eggs, because you can use those as an egg replacement. In case you didn't know, the more you know. There you go. So we're going to give this a little mix, get it all incorporated together, and then we will fold in our mixed berry. It actually smells really good. It might not look real pretty, but it smells really good. We'll see how this turns out. While I'm mixing, here's all the things. This is going to make us 6 muffins. 1 muffin per serving. It's going to have 232 calories per serving, 9 grams of protein per muffin, 5 grams of fat, 36 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of fiber, and 16 milligrams of sodium. I love a glass bowl because I can see if I missed anything. Okay, I think I've got that pretty well mixed. Now I'm going to fold in 1 cup of the berries. Things aren't perfect around here. I can't find another full cup. So we're going to do 2 half cups. So that's what we're doing. This is a berry trio. So it has blackberries, raspberries, and blackberries, blueberries, and red raspberries, which are 3. I love blackberries. So this is going to be yummy for me. So we're going to put that there. But get the berries you like. Now we need to fold these in. And folding is just kind of like wrapping them in. Kind of get them evenly distributed. There we go. That's what it looks like now. I happen to have a 6-tin muffin pan. I'm going to use that because then I don't have to fill anything with water or anything, and I think it's going to work. If you want to just do 6 in the regular muffin tin, do that. Handy dandy thing. Just plop it in there. Yeah. These look and smell really good. You can put papers in here if you want, I suppose. I'm not doing that. Make it your own. Do what works for you. If you want to not have blueberries, get one that doesn't have blueberries. Make your own decisions. You're in charge of your life. That's why you're doing this, right? You're eating healthier for you so you can be there for the people you love. Okay, I'm going to scrape all the goodness out of here. This would also be a great recipe if you have someone in your life who can't have eggs, because there's no eggs. So we are going to put this into a 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. You need to know how your oven cooks. My oven cooks a little fast, so I'm going to do 18 minutes because I don't want them to burn. 6 muffins into the oven. I took these out of the oven a few minutes ago. They are still warm. I'm going to try them. Okay, this is what one of them looks like. It is still really warm, but I'm going to cut a piece of it off and try it. But it looks really yummy, right? It smells good. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Ready? It tastes good. I got a big blackberry though, so anything that's blackberry I love. It tastes really good. I would make these. My granddaughters might like them. And I love chia seeds. So yeah, I like this. It's pretty good.